welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the cards with you. First of all, we have the Wheel of Fortune, which is nice. Then the Seven of Cups. We have the Eight of Swords with the Clarify, the Six of Swords. And then finally, we have the Fool card. So let's start here with the Wheel of Fortune. I love this. This is about good luck and good fortune. It's things starting to turn around in your favour. So if you felt that it's been a bit of a struggle or difficult and things haven't been going quite right, it's not been quite working for you, this is a signal to say that's going to start to turn around now. You know, if you felt like you're right at the bottom, this whole circle here turns clockwise and it pulls you to the top. It pulls you to the top. So doors starting to open, things going your way, a bit more luck and good fortune like this card is. So lovely, really, really lovely. It can represent an ending of a cycle, and especially because we've got the Fool card here, which is about a new door opening, a new adventure for you. So something closing and something opening this week, whether you get, you know, the go ahead or the news or something actually this week, or this is the recognition that this is what you're in the process of doing. But this is just lovely. Also attached to money, wealth and prosperity and windfalls. So it's a very positive card for any financial dealings. So if you're doing anything with money this week, this is the week to do it. We've got the Seven of Cups. Now this may mean that you're just focusing on your goals, your priorities, your dreams and desires, especially with the Wheel of Fortune and the Fool card. So this is just you know, just filling up your head and your mind and your thinking time with, right, you know, what do I do? How do I do it? What do I do first? And I think with all of this energy, it's, you know, that's not a bad thing. It can be that you have got too many things you're thinking about and trying to do. So just watch that, especially with the energy of the Eight of Swords next to it. So just be careful you're not taking on too much and you're not loading yourself up and your to-do list with loads and loads of things to do. But, you know, with the Wheel of Fortune and the Fool energy as well, it could just be that it's an exciting time for you, that you know, you get this opportunity or you get an insight as to how to move onto a different path or through a different door. And now you're thinking, oh my gosh, well, where do I start? There's so many things I can do. And do I do that first or that? Oh, I don't know. So just watch out for any kind of mental energy this week as well, because of these two cards that come along next. The Eight, I mean, this is an interesting energy because if you look at the picture, the Eight of Swords, it is mental, so to do with your thoughts and your thinking and your, you know, all of your thought process. The person is bound up, they've got a blindfold on, and the feeling that this card gives you is, I feel stuck, I feel trapped, I don't know, I'm not sure, should I do this, should I do this? This is why I'm saying with this energy, this can be very positive, but sometimes when you've got too much on your plate, it can lead to this sort of thing. I don't know what to do first, I've got so much on my plate, I'm really excited. And there's another thing that's coming through here is, if this is opening up for you, sometimes we're a little bit hesitant because we're so desperate for this new door to open. We want it to be right. We don't want to make mistakes. We don't want to mess anything up. Then sometimes it can have you feeling a bit paralysed, a bit like, I know there's an opportunity and this is fantastic, but I really don't want to mess it up and I don't know what to do first. So I won't do anything. So this could be that, okay? So just look out for it and be aware of it. Because with this is self-imposed. This is an illusion. You're not really stuck. You're not really trapped. There is a route out, and this is where the Six of Swords comes in. There is a definite route out, and one that you can take, where it takes you away from difficult, stormy, choppy waters into that's the calm sea they're sailing in towards. So calm times, peaceful, tranquil, more equilibrium, more harmony in your life. So you are, you have got the potential with this new start, this new beginning, to get into a completely different space. But just be careful that your thinking, and it could be limiting thinking, self-sabotage thinking, is not going to trip you up and paralyze you and make you believe that you're stuck or you're trapped, because this is an energy that says you're not really. The truth of the matter is you're not stuck, you're not trapped. And my way out of that is, for people, is always to get into something like the high priestess energy, the hermit energy, where you go within, you connect with your higher self, your heart, your soul, through whatever means works for you, whether that's meditation, being in nature, might be cooking, painting, writing, whatever your thing is, singing. But doing something that connects you to that really incredible part of who you are. That's when you can get out of the Eight of Sword energy. Because it does call, this Fool energy, for you to take a leap of faith. And that's another reason why we can sometimes feel a bit stuck and trapped. It's a bit like, well, I know the door's there and it's an exciting one, and I really want to go through that brand new door. I'm sure it's going to give me loads of happiness and joy. But it means I have to do this, this, and this to get there. And that's the bit, the leap of faith, the going for it, the putting yourself out there, that can be a bit tricky and can sometimes lead to the Eight of Swords. But it's necessary. We have to move out of the comfort zone to go for it, follow our dreams, follow our heart's desire. So remember, with the Fool energy, is you can do this, you can absolutely do it, and the promise of this incredible freeing and liberating new start comes with the Fool energy as well. But you do have to do something different to crack out of that comfort zone. But I hope it's a really good week, and thank you so much for watching.